Jimin, also known mononymously as Jimin, is a South Korean singer and dancer. He is a member of the South Korean boy band BTS. Under the record label Big Hit Music Jimin was born in South Korea. He began dancing at a young age and was a top student in the modern dance department. He auditioned for Big Hit Entertainment and was accepted. Jimin made his debut as a member of BTS in 2013. He is known for his powerful vocals, smooth dance moves, and charming personality. He has also written and composed several songs for BTS, including Serendipity and Filters. Jimin is one of the most popular members of BTS. He has a large and dedicated fan base, known as ARMY. He has also been praised by critics for his vocal abilities and dance skills. Jimin is known for his love of fashion and art. He enjoys collecting designer clothes and shoes, and he is also a fan of contemporary art in his free time. Jimin enjoys spending time with his family and friends. He also enjoys reading, listening to music, and playing video games. Jimin is a dedicated artist who is passionate about his work. He spends a lot of time practicing singing and dancing, and he is always looking for ways to improve his craft. He has a collection of designer clothes and shoes from brands such as Dior, Gucci, and Louis Vuitton. He owns a Mercedes-Benz G-Class and a Porsche Panamera. Overall, Jimin's luxuries are a part of his lifestyle, but they are not the most important thing to him. He is more focused on his career, his personal well-being, and the people he loves.